Eaty, eaty. Oh, hello, baby.
Look at the other one.
Oh, you haven't got any food. No,
The other one, the other one.
no. I'm trying to give it to her. But they're all fighting. They're all fighting. Okay, you want one too? Just coming to me. Once they see one.
You see that earring, silly? Let's see, oh. The mommy. I think this is the mommy or the... Ay! Mga pinigil mark niya.
Mag-kiss tayo mo.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Oh, you magat. Oh, you magat.
They're all coming to you when you have one. Oh, no.
They're very hungry. Oh no, the other day. Look at this thing, Layla.
Aluin man tagi. About Sweden.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look at that.
Wala silang bucket mark man, no?
Kana ko?
Okay, guys. You can feed now the goat.
Oh my
Open it.
god!
Open it.
You will just say
Oh my God, they're very hungry. They're craving.
Good morning. Hi.
Good morning, sweetie boy. Good morning, Alexi.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Oh, you magat.
They're all coming to you when you have one. Oh. No, you.
They're very hungry. Oh no, the other day. Look at this thing, Layla. You see that earring, silly? Let's see, oh. The mommy. I think this is the mommy or the... Ay! Mga pinigil mark niya.
Mag-kiss tayo mo.
Good, only got 2. Compared to a cow have how many? Cow have 4. Goat got 2. So these goats here, one day should give us about 2 to 5. Because we both have a better point. So all these animals, right, already, you follow us, so you actually pass on. So you don't